Hello everyone and welcome back to my DIY channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, you guys already know that in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super easy DIY Valentine's Day handmade gifts that you can make, and I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to make these beautiful handmade gifts by staying in a budget, and you're still able to create something beautiful, unique, and different. And also, you know, most of the times people do appreciate the fact that you handmade something. So without taking much of your guys' time, let's dive into the video, and without further ado, let's begin with the video. To get started, I'm going to first grab a sheet of felt fabric, color of your own choice, some cotton or stuffing, scissors, a sewing needle, and 3 different colored threads in the colors red, white, and pink. In case you don't know how to sew with the needle, here are the following steps. Start off by first grabbing a felt fabric, fold it in half, draw out a shape of a heart, cut it out so that now you have 2 heart shapes, and then next, using a pencil, write a sweet message or word, whichever you like. I simply wrote "I heart you," and you have 3 ways to fill out the heart shape. One, you can leave it outlined just how I am doing right now using a pink thread. 2, you can fill out the heart from the inside using a pink thread like this. Or 3, using a red fabric or whichever color fabric you want, cut out a heart-shaped piece, place it onto the heart, and sew it around it. Next, using a white thread, I'm going to outline the letters using this thread. Once that's complete, now it's time to sew both the hearts. Make sure to put the hearts together. Next, using a thread and needle, I have taken a piece of thread and I put it through the needle's hole, and I've brought the ends of the thread together and tied it into a knot so it doesn't open up, just like this. And when you're doing this, it should be the back and through the front of the fabric. Once you continue doing so, this is how it would start looking like. And just continue off, finishing not the whole thing, but try to make sure to leave a little gap so that way we can use some stuffing, or if you don't have any stuffing, maybe some cotton to add inside the pillow. Once the pillow has been stuffed in, now it's time to thread the rest of the pillow. Once that's complete, here is the finished look. Kind of looks like a face, don't you think, guys? Kind of does. To get started, you will need a gift box, tissue paper, color of your own choice, and a theme that you want to go with. For me, I'm going to be adding some chocolates, and the theme I'm going to go with is skincare products. You can use a different theme if you want. I'm going to first start off with grabbing a gift box, and you can go with any size you want. And then I'm going to use some tissue paper, color of your own choice, place that inside the box, and then next I'm going to start adding on the products and some chocolates inside the box. And once that's complete, here is the finished look. See how easy this was? It was both quick and easy to make. Also, you can add a ribbon if you like around the box if you have a plain box, but since the box that I'm using has a flower print on it, I just went with without a ribbon. To get started, you're going to first need a gift box, some artificial roses, a cardboard piece, a marker, scissors, a hole puncher, and a ribbon. Start off by first grabbing a gift box. It could be any size you would like. And next, if you have a foam, you can use a foam, but if you don't, just like me, you can use a cardboard piece. I'm going to grab a cardboard piece and place the box on top of it so that I can trace all around the box using a marker. Next, I'm going to cut out the square shape, leaving a 1-inch gap, just like this. The reason why I did that was so that the cardboard piece sits well inside the box. And once that's complete, now that we know that it sits well, next, using a hole puncher, I'm going to poke in some holes. And if you don't have a hole puncher, you can simply use a pen or pencil. Once that's complete, this is how it should look like. And once that is done, now it's time to add on the roses. Make sure to cut out some of the stems so that it is shortened, and then I'm also going to add on this heart rose that I had made. I'm going to leave the link in my bio and just up here for you guys to check out how I had made that. Add in some baby breaths, and then once that is complete, now I'm going to add on a beautiful red ribbon, pretty much just tied up into a bow. And then once that has been tied up, here is the finished look. It looks absolutely beautiful. And that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video and also got to learn something new in today's video as well. Also, if you liked today's video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. It really keeps me motivated each time when you guys like my videos, subscribe to this channel to give you better and more content on this channel. Also, we've hit 300 subscribers. I think it's now 307, so thank you so much to each and every one of you out there who have subscribed to my channel and are watching today's video as well and supporting my channel as well. Please continue supporting this channel. Show your love and support by hitting the like button and subscribe, and comment down below. I'm always open for suggestions if you want to see different kinds of DIY projects on this channel, arts and craft videos that you guys want to see on this channel. So please do let me know. Just DM me or just comment down any of my videos, or let's just say the most recent videos, so that I get to see your comments. Today's shout out goes to each and every one of you, and wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day. Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. Also, for those of you who don't know, I also have a vlog channel, so if you haven't checked out my vlog channel, I'm going to leave the link down in the description below, and also I'm going to leave the link up there as well, so be sure to check out my vlog channel as well. Show some love and support. I know I'm not really consistent with posting videos on my vlog channel, as this is my main channel and my DIY channel, but I'm going to try my best to start posting more on my vlog channel. I haven't been able to. I've been so focused on this channel and also been posting some videos on TikTok as well. Speaking of TikTok, I also have a TikTok, so be sure to follow me on TikTok as well. My username is _Amanpreet Matharu. Here's the name of my TikTok. Also, for all my video updates, be sure to follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreet Matharu. So be sure to follow me on both Instagram and TikTok. On TikTok, if you want to see some more quick and easy arts and crafts videos, DIY project videos, be sure to follow me on TikTok as well. It's the same username _Amanpreet Matharu. And thank you so much. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and happy Valentine's Day to all of you. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in my next video, and take care, and bye.